Let's talk a bit about automation and AI. I think this is an unavoidable topic because, especially with nowadays, with all of the technological improvements, with AI advancing as well, it is definitely going to displace some amount of human talent and human workload as well. Any process improvement that enhances the efficiency of a task is going to create opportunity. It's going to create opportunity for more work to be done by fewer people and more opportunity for you to do other things as well. Is that a bad thing? No, I don't think so. You should view improvements as an opportunity to do more, not less. You want to do different things that add more value. So don't see it as a bad thing that is going to displace human talent. At the end of the day, you need to repurpose your human talent. But more importantly, when you consider automation, I encourage you to consider automation from the perspective of automating to be more, not less human. So, for example, if you are doing sales and you have to do follow-up calls, your follow-up calls should be personalized, but you want to automate it with a schedule that will trigger and notify you that you should follow up with someone. That means that way you don't have to constantly go in, look at your database. Who did you reach out to? When did you reach out to them? Is it time to follow up with them? Automate the reminders to follow up with them, and then you follow up personally. Make sense? It allows you to become more human. If you're automating the entire follow up, then that follow-up process, that interaction becomes less human. It becomes a worse experience for the customer. But if you automate let's say the data entry, you automate the follow-up reminders, that enables you to be more human and create a better experience for your customers. The last thing to remember is that technology or any form of automation is a loudspeaker. It's an amplifier, right? It amplifies everything, both the good but also the bad. So, for example, if you have a prospecting process and you are calling 10 people and three of them will buy, and you say, okay, I'm going to optimize for that. I'm going to automate that. Now you can do more. You can maybe instead of calling 10, you can call 100, but 30 of them will buy. But if you jump to this first without testing, if you automate it without figuring out if it's the right approach, or maybe it's not the right profile of customers or prospects, you could create a lot of unnecessary noise as well. Maybe there's another process. Maybe there's another list or group where if you call 10 of them, seven of them will buy instead of three. So you want to make sure that you test and ensure it's the right thing to go forward with automation before you jump the gun to apply technology to it.